It will not start with missiles. It will start with silence. 1 second, you are online. The next? Nothing. Power grids, hospitals, banks, all gone, in a single keystroke. And you will not even hear the attack coming. In the Second World War, bombs fell from plane. In the next war, they will fall from code. Every superpower is building weapons, not for land but for servers. They warned us, but we laughed. Now, it is too late to unplug. Air traffic frozen, banks wiped, nuclear systems exposed. This is not science fiction. It is already happening. The question is not if a cyber war begins. It is who survives it.